Only at Little Caesars. Pizza, pizza. Not a ballpark break.
Ballpark? They get this excited when I won the gold?
Saturday Night Show, only on YouTube.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to the garage. Excuse the fan noises. It is a super hot one out here today. Right now we're sitting at just about 105. You know, I don't know if it's gonna hit 110 anytime soon. I really hope it doesn't. But the heat index here in Texas today was like 112, something like that. So it is definitely a little toasty out here in the garage. I've got 2 fans going, so excuse the noise. I'm not turning them off because I start sweating like an absolute animal. But we've got some stuff to do today for the GTI. So I picked this little item up. It is a turbo muffler delete. It's like a pass-through. Before anybody says anything, there's a rubber O-ring on the bottom. I'm not going to scratch the paint up. So rubber O-ring, and it's just a straight pass-through. I'll show you the differences when I get the other one off. But we're going to be installing this today. Hopefully it sounds pretty cool. And that reminds me, I'm going to do a before sound test on the GTI right now. Okay, so that little engine sample, this is a totally stock engine besides the turbo inlet pipe that I put on in a previous video. If you haven't seen that one, go check that out. I didn't do a before sound of that one, I just totally forgot. I'm not used to really doing sound samples on like the new cars with different things other than an exhaust. So kind of my first foray into turbo things, which is why I'm trying to document this as best as I can for all you new GTI guys that join the channel. Thanks for joining. Everyone else, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you're tuned in for the GTI because I'm excited about it. No, the 2.5 is not stopping. I'm still going to continue working on it. Just doing a quick thing, middle of the week, you know, short video. So let's jump down into the engine bay. Let's get the old turbo muffler removed and get the new one in, and then we'll do another sound sample after, so stick around. So what we're going to work on first is getting these pipes out. Might have to move the air box out of the way, and the charge pipe is underneath the intake pipe, and then our turbo muffler is back down in here. So I'm gonna grab a couple tools and we will get started. Difficult to see, but right down here is where the turbo muffler is. So I've already got the charge pipe here loosened so we can pull it away. And I'm gonna reach down in there, loosen the 2 clamps up, and we will get it off and pull the thing out. Getting this one out, and I'm sure putting this one in, it was pretty tough. You're really reaching in there, and this bottom bolt was really, really hard to get out, and it just took a lot of tools, patience, but I got it with nothing more than a ratchet set and some Allen keys. Obviously Torx bits too. Anyways, here is the OEM one. You can see it has this little cutout section to help muffle noise, keep things quiet outside and inside the cabin. And our new one, aftermarket, it is a straight through design. So it should hopefully flow a little bit better, sound a little bit better. This is also super cheap. think it was like 40 bucks, 45 bucks, something like that. So I wanted to do one to see what it sounded like because I'm interested in modifying the car and everything. And yeah, so let's throw this new one in. I'm not gonna film it. It goes in the same way this one came out, and it's really tight. I doubt you could probably see anything anyways. So let's throw this in and then we will wrap the job up. I really wish you guys could feel how hot it is in here. My gloves are just full of sweat. It's so hot, but we got it done. Everything is back to the way it should be. I threw on a new clamp back here. I didn't like the worm style clamp that much, so I threw on a little bit different style. I do have the ECS upgraded pipe coming, so that'll get replaced anyways, but everything is back the way it should. So I'm gonna throw the engine cover back on, we'll start it up and do a little sound test. All right, so everything is wrapped up. There's no boost leaks or leaks of any sort. And it's hard to tell if there's a big difference. I definitely don't think there is a huge difference, but I'll play the clips back and forth real quick for you guys and you tell me. So if there is a difference there, let me know down in the comments. And I'm fine with it. You know, I learned something new. I took apart the car more, got more familiar with it, which is all the more worth it to me. And this video is done. We got the turbo muffler delete installed. So a few more goodies coming for the GTI soon, so stick around for that in the coming weeks. We're also gonna continue work on the 2.5 project. Since this video is in the future, I think by now I should have basically most of the engine torn apart, but maybe not dropped out yet. I'm not sure. I'll have to, I don't know. This is the future. You guys are coming in the past or future, whatever. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something new. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of content for the GTI. Be sure to hit that subscribe button below if you are new to the channel. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments, and I will see you in the next one.